Ever felt like you're chasing your own money after a sale or a client payment? You're not alone. When it comes to international transactions, speed is crucial. So, the burning question is, how long does it take to actually receive that hard-earned cash from Airwallex? Airwallex is a popular choice for businesses that deal with international payments. They offer a range of services, from cross-border transfers to currency exchange. But let's be honest, waiting for money to land in your account can feel agonizing. We'll break down the factors that influence how quickly you can expect to see those funds hit your bank account. Buckle up, because this information is key to streamlining your cash flow. Factors influencing transfer speed. Transfer type. Local transfers, generally the fastest. Within the same country, funds can often arrive within a business day or even instantly. International transfers, this is where things can get a bit more complex. Factors like the destination country, the receiving bank, and the chosen transfer method all play a role. Transfer method. Faster options. Options like Swift or real-time payments, like faster payments in the UK, can significantly speed things up. Standard options. More traditional methods may take longer, sometimes several business days. Currency exchange. Currency conversions can sometimes add a slight delay to the overall transfer time. Bank holidays and weekends. These can naturally cause delays as banks are not processing transactions during these periods. Airwallex's processing time. Airwallex themselves have internal processing times, which can vary depending on the transfer volume and any potential issues. Receiving bank's processing time. Once the funds reach the receiving bank, they still need to process the payment and credit your account. This can also add some time. Tips to speed up transfers. Choose the fastest transfer method. Explore options like real-time payments or faster payment rails. Provide accurate and complete information. Ensure all recipient details are correct to avoid delays caused by incorrect information. Schedule transfers in advance. If possible, schedule transfers during peak business hours to minimize processing times. Use Airwallex's API. If you're making frequent transfers, integrating with their API can streamline the process and potentially speed up transactions. Contact Airwallex support. If you're experiencing any delays, reach out to their customer support team for assistance. Real-world examples. Let's look at a few hypothetical examples. A local transfer within the U.S. might take just a few hours. An international transfer from the U.S. to Europe could take 1 to 3 business days depending on the method and the receiving bank. Transfers to some emerging markets might take longer due to factors like local banking infrastructure. While exact transfer times can vary, understanding the key factors and utilizing the tips we've discussed can help you minimize delays and ensure your funds arrive when you need them. By optimizing your transfer strategy, you can improve your cash flow and maintain a smoother financial operation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.